There are not many bags designed for the Brompton rear rack compared with the ever-expanding range of front bags. Depending on the rider's need and budget, until recently the choice was between the Vincita Nash or the discontinued Brompton rack bag, which has now been replaced by the smaller 14-liter Burrow roller bag. Some generic bicycle trunk bags could be cost-effective and versatile alternatives as well. But now, there's a larger capacity off-the-shelf luggage designed with the Brompton in mind, the new Vincita Big Nash bag. Winner of a 2023 Taipei Cycle Design and Innovation Award, the Big Nash uses the same uniclip attachment mechanism as the regular-size Nash bag, but has almost double the capacity. Let's compare the Big Nash with the regular Nash. The Big Nash, at 1.9 kilograms, offers 20 liters of storage in its main compartment, compared with a 1.4 kilogram regular model with 12 liters. Using the side pockets, the total available volume increases to 25 and 17 liters respectively. The mounting system on both bags is based around the Uniclip Universal Quick Release mechanism from ClickFix. Rated to a maximum of 10 kilograms, it can be installed on racks of various shapes and sizes. Prior to initial installation, the support rails of both bags need to be adjusted to fit the rack. This is done by loosening 4 screws and moving the rails laterally so that they correspond to the width of the bicycle rack. When the proper width is set, the screws can be tightened again. This mechanical adjustment needs to be done only once for a specific bike. When installing the bag, rotate both side levers downward to secure the bag in place. They'll automatically adapt to the Brompton rack structure. The Uniclip also features an anti-theft latch to prevent prying hands from removing your bag when you're not looking. By inserting the provided security key into the red recess, you can move the latch into a locked position. Sliding in the opposite direction easily unlocks the mechanism. While the regular Nash had a small gauge zipper opening and a removable black padding insert, the Big Nash has a redesigned larger zipper opening and a light-colored integrated padding, making it easier to access the contents. An internal divider can secure a laptop up to 16 inches, such as a MacBook Pro. Additional internal pockets are also provided. Like its smaller brother, the Big Nash retains the characteristic side pockets that can be deployed when needed for an additional 5 liters of storage. A small bungee with Velcro closure ensures each stays in proper position while riding. Note these side pockets are not padded, so they're less appropriate for fragile articles. Also, when deployed, it can be a bit awkward to install or remove the bag, as they can partially obstruct access to the Uniclip lever. Similarly, a fully deployed bag will sit awkwardly when removed from the rack, but that's a small price to pay when we really need the extra space the side pockets provide. The external fabric of the larger model depends on the color selected. The blue and black bags use 300D polyester, while the gray and brown color bags use 500D polyester. You may find the texture of the black and blue versions more modern looking, although the gray and brown will likely be more abrasion resistant. The smaller Nash that we've been using for more than a year is made of 500D polyester and still looks new, so we may be biased toward the thicker fabric. Note that all these fabrics are water resistant. Off the bike, both bags can be carried via the integrated padded handle straps or with the included easily removable shoulder strap. The conventional clipping mechanism is easier to attach and remove than those on some competing bags, which may be more delicate. In addition to the adjustable shoulder strap, the Big Nash comes with an installation booklet, 2 security locking keys, and a high visibility rain cover. External attach points are limited, except for a small loop for a reflector, and possibly the zipper webbing at both ends. There are few possibilities to attach external cargo to the bag. Maybe a possible upgrade for a future version. The pros and cons of the Nash bag. Pros include ease of installation and removal, large capacity, expandable side pocket, rain cover. Cons include different fabric depending on color selected, handling with side pockets deployed, limited external attach points, width adjustment when changing bicycles. The Big Nash configuration could be ideal for different types of riders. An electric Brompton owner who wants to carry more luggage when commuting, the Brompton tourer that needs more cargo capacity and appreciates the simplicity of the Uniclip compared to a do-it-yourself setup. However, even the Big Nash may not be sufficient to contain a full set of camping gear. The air traveler that prefers to attach the Vincita sightseer on the front carrier block and use the rear rack for carry-on luggage. a rider who wants a commuter bag that is compatible with multiple bicycle types, not only a Brompton. It's good to see more options for the Brompton rear rack. We hope this will motivate other manufacturers to innovate as well. If you want to know more about rack bags, watch our previous video on the subject. Is this the kind of bag you're looking for? What else would you like to see in a rear rack bag? Let us know in the comments. We're Pam and Gilbert from Two Bikes for Adventure.